Assalamu alaikum students. Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic 7. Noun gender. Students, nouns can be of masculine, feminine, common or neuter gender. Students, today we are going to learn noun gender. The nouns in masculine gender refer to boys, men and male animals. Example: uncle, king, hero, bull. The nouns in the feminine gender refers to girls, women and female animals. So students, the feminine gender refers to girls, women and female animals. For example, aunt, queen, heroine, cow. The nouns in the common gender refer to people and animals of either gender. Example: leader, student, pilot. And the nouns in the neuter gender refer to non-living things. Example: tree, car, computer, eye, body, sky. So all these are neuter gender. Students, the nouns in the masculine gender refers to boys, men and male animals. And the nouns in the feminine gender refers to girls, women and female animals. So as you can see, masculine gender refers to boys, men and male animals, and feminine gender refers to girls, women and female animals. Then the next is the nouns in the common gender refers to people and animals of either gender. And the nouns in the neuter gender refers to non-living things. So the neuter gender refers to non-living things. Students, let us learn to form feminine nouns with the help of this table. Feminine nouns can be formed by first adding ESS to the masculine form. So, example, host. And when we add ESS, it will be hostess. Poet, poetess. Next, feminine nouns can be formed by changing the spelling before adding ESS. So here, actor. So we'll change the spelling little bit and then we'll add ESS. Actor will become actress. Duke will become duchess. Next, feminine nouns can be formed by using different words before and after. So it can be formed by using different words before and after. That is, for example, washerman will become washerwoman. Landlord will become landlady. Next, feminine nouns can be formed by using a new word. So it can be formed by using a totally new word. That is, uncle will become aunt. King will become queen. Husband, wife. And gander, goose. Rewrite the sentences after changing the gender of the highlighted words. So students, as we can see, here these two words are highlighted. So we have to change the gender of these highlighted words and then we have to rewrite the sentence after changing the gender of the highlighted words. So now here, uncle will become what? When we change the gender, uncle will become aunt and king will become queen. So let us write the sentence. My aunt gave my cousin a toy queen. Next, the eldest son invited a few boys to the party. So now here son and boys are highlighted. So son will become daughter and boys will become what? Boys will become girls. So let us write the eldest daughter invited a few girls to the party. Next, her sister and her niece are ready for a game of tennis. Now the highlighted words are sister and niece. So sister will become brother and niece will become nephew. So let us write her brother and nephew are ready for a game of tennis. D. The duck and the hens were on the farm. So highlighted words are duck and hens. So duck will become drake and hens will become roosters. So let us write the answer. The drake and the roosters were on the farm. Next, E. The leopard and the hunter were chasing each other. So leopard will become leopardess and hunter will become huntress. So the answer is the leopardess and the huntress were chasing each other. When we rewrite sentences, after changing the genders of the nouns, we must change the corresponding pronouns. So students, whenever we rewrite sentences, after changing the genders of the nouns, we must also change the corresponding pronouns. For example, the wizard entered the cave. He had the potion. So now here, when we will change the gender, this will become witch. And similarly, we have to change the corresponding pronoun. That is, he will become she. Similarly here, that boy is the prince. He is very popular. So boy will become girl. Prince will become princess. And similarly, we will change the corresponding pronoun. That is, he will become she. Rewrite the sentences using nouns and pronouns of opposite gender. So now students, we have to rewrite the sentences using nouns and pronouns of opposite gender. So let us start with the first one. A. Grandfather has a new car. So now here when we change, grandfather will become grandmother. So let us write, grandmother has a new car. Next, he is a stranger to our city. So he will become she. She is a stranger to our city. C. The master of the house asked the housekeeper to clean the room. So now here, master will become mistress. So let us write the sentence. The mistress of the house asked the housekeeper to clean the room. Next, D. This man is a good actor. He has played the role of a hero many times. So now here, first man will become woman. Actor will become actress. He will become she and hero will become heroine. So let us write the answer. This woman is a good actress. She has played the role of a heroine many times. The bridegroom is a young man. He looks very happy. So bridegroom will become bride and man will become woman. He will become she. So the bride is a young woman She looks very happy. F. The emperor traveled through the forest. So emperor will become empress. So the empress traveled through the forest. G. Many ducks were in the pond. H. The headmaster advised the boys to work hard. I. My uncle and nephew are coming for lunch. J. Mr. Nair knows your husband. So students, now these 4 sentences are for homework.